Oh my god. These are insane. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea where the inspiration for this makeover came from, but I genuinely am so excited. So I was born in the 90s. I'm a 90s baby, and so I fully got to live and experience through the 2000s. And let me tell you, the 2000s had some just chef's kisses trends, and today we're about to get a little nostalgic. And for my younger fans that were maybe born in the 2000s and didn't get to fully like embrace the world of low-rise jeans and bejeweled everything, rhinestones, Ed Hardy, juicy couture. Also, as you can see, I still have like my makeup hair clips in because the 2000s also had some poppin' hairstyles. Like, if I don't end this video with a zigzag part, I will be very, very angry. So I want to include the hair portion of the 2000s trend makeover in this video as well. That's probably where we'll start because these clips, these gotta go. It's time. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and subscribe to the vlog channel. I post vlogs every other day or so on the vlog channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell on both channels so you never miss an upload, and let's go back to the 2000s. Okay, so here is the plan. I think we need to make a checklist. So like, number one being zigzag part, obviously, and like a half up, half down with like one of those like clampy clips, like one of those like the claw clips, the claw, you know what I mean? I feel like those are still around, but have definitely made a comeback, and that's like one of the most interesting things about trends is that everything comes back, like everything. And in preparation for this video, I've ordered a combination of basics that we can DIY and then some DIY supplies that I think will be key to a complete transformation. And by transformation, I mean these rhinestone angel wings for the back of a sweater, possibly. Oh my god, if you don't feel nostalgic already, like I don't know what else would get you there. So obviously, because I do not own bootcut low-rise jeans at the current present time, I ordered a few things in preparation for this makeover, but we are gonna DIY ourselves to the final look, which I'm really excited about. Oh my god, I have to show you these glasses. These also were not in my current accessories closet, but like, we back in the 2000s, like get me Justin Timberlake and Britney Spears immediately because we're here. I think we should get some inspo. So I'm gonna head over to Pinterest and just type in like 2000s trends to see what comes up, because sometimes I get things confused of like what was a 90s trend and what was a 2000s trend. So like, let's get our ish straight first before we really dive in. 2000s, ooh, fashion. Oh my god. Okay, these are definitely some things from like recently. Like these cow pants, that is definitely something from like this year. Oh, I live for this. This is amazing. I would wear all of these now. Like, you see what I mean by like everything comes back? These trends are literally here again. So hold on to your clothes for your children because it all comes back. Oh my god. Britney Spears and a velour tracksuit. I'm 98% sure I kept my pink tracksuit from when Jeremy, Zach, and Maggie and I did a Cheetah Girls costume for Eugene's last birthday. That may have to make a comeback today. I wanted this bag so bad, so bad. Like when I tell you Rainbow Louis Vuitton was at like it was so unattainable because it was so cool and like obviously expensive because it's designer. Wow, I'm feeling so nostalgic. Okay, yeah, see, like this is definitely recent because this is all like very back again. Oh my god. Oh, look at all the rhinestones, so many rhinestones. I live for this. I also have a ton of bandanas, but I feel like I really want to embrace the zigzag part, as I've mentioned literally 5 times already into this video. Oh, 2000s Beyonce, crushing it. This also looks like a recent photo, but I feel like graphic tees that had like brats or juicy or rhinestones of any kind. Let's do 2000s graphic tees. Oh, see, it's like all recent. Oh yeah, this Bratz one though, like that has the vibe. That vibe is 2000s AF. These are all shirts from now that are trying to be very 2000s, which I love and appreciate, but I want some like actual 2000s inspo photos. Let's do 2000s denim trends. Paris Hilton is the queen of the 2000s. I feel like we should just go really deep dive into Paris. Pink velour sweater, zip up, a low-rise denim skirt. I could never wear that now, and a rhinestone pink, like muscle tee white basic. I love it. This is iconic. Let's just go Paris Hilton 2000s fashion. Our queen. Oh my God, these are so low rise. Oh my God. Like, things are about to start falling out and I am very uncomfortable. It just doesn't even look comfortable. Wait, did her and Derek from Sum 41 date? I need someone to confirm that immediately. Graphic tees, more velour. Let's try 2000s aesthetic. Oh, everything about Mean Girls. I feel like angel was something that was so big on shirts, like 99% angel, 1% devil. That could be some solid inspo for our graphic tee to do like an iron-on. Brats and rhinestones. Amazing. Guys, I am so excited for this. Oh my God. Okay, so rhinestones, we got it. Pink velour hoodie. Pretty sure I still have that. You guys, like, this is it. This is it. Let's zigzag this part. Honestly, when I was younger, my mom was like not super great at doing hair. She's just like not into like the girly stuff like hair and makeup, but she could zigzag the out of a part. And I remember every time I would go to the hairdresser, I'd be so excited for my hairstylist to zigzag it and I could go home and like be super cool because like Hilary Duff, Ashley Tisdale, Blake Lively were zigzagging and I wanted to zigzag. Okay, let's see if I still remember how to do this. This is so far from natural for my own part, which has many issues on its own. Oh, oh, what do I do? What do I do? Okay, our first zig has been zagged. Actually, you know what? I think I should go this way first. Oh no. Oh no. I feel like when my hairdresser would do it, she'd just go like bam, 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 bam. Maybe that's the trick, to just go fast. Do. How did I do? Okay, here we go. Serious this time, serious. We go this way. Great. We've zigged. Let me go back this way. Oh yeah, she's getting there. She's getting there. I always remember though, like having pieces go up a little bit because they're kind of going against like the way they grow and I love that look. Here's what we've got so far. I want to go tighter. I want to go smaller. Literally, that was so difficult. Here's the best I can do. You know what? If I like had a head here to do it on, I think I could nail it, but like only being able to see like the front third, very difficult. Kudos to you, Mom, for pulling that off when I was younger. Okay, so I feel like another like iconic look is having like all these like face framing layers. So I'm gonna keep all my front pieces out. These are the types of clips that I was like trying to describe when I was doing like this motion. The clomp. So I've got two sizes, but it's like the half up, half down. Or maybe I should just go all the way up with it. I'll curl these in a little more, or we could even flip out. There was that too. And then the twist. Okay, clip and flip. No, I don't know. I think my hair is too long. It just looks like a regular ponytail, kind of. Oh, this is the one. You waterfall it over the little clip. Even higher, maybe? Is it weird to do both clips? That feels like much more secure. Oh, I could be an S Club 7 right now. I think we curl inwards, like just really not so face framing. Am I a 2000s girl now? Honestly, this whole look, it's back. I don't know about this, but this is back. Step 1, achieved, not without struggles. Step 2, an angel graphic tee, even better. Okay, so it's reversed because I have to do an iron-on transfer. 99% angel, 1% devil. I love that for me. Okay, so this graphic is so low quality because apparently graphics from the 2000s are not just, you know, readily available in 4K. Can you have a photo in 4K? I'm not even sure. Anyways, it's high quality enough for the vibe we're going for. This is just a white Hanes little cami tank top to go underneath our velour sweatshirt, which I found and am very excited about. I also am now wondering if I can do the iron-on wings onto the back of this, or if it's gonna stick or not. Anyways, that can be step 3, velour tracksuit hoodie. So let's tackle this first. So this is just an iron-on transfer. I reversed it. I'm gonna place it right here. And then I think this one is about 2 minutes of iron-on. So let me set a timer. Ready, set, iron. All right, we're gonna let this cool and then peel it off and do our 99% angel review. I can't even take myself seriously saying that. Wow, I'm excited. Oh my gosh, it's time, it's time. It's not time? Oh wow, this is grungy. Wow. You know what? Actually, a little bit of pixelation almost makes it look a little more vintage and like actually that it was from 20 years ago. If you catch me wearing this outside of this video, don't be surprised. These face framing pieces are driving me insane. I'm glad that this is not really a thing anymore. Okay, so step 2 completed. I don't know what to do with these rhinestone wings. Like, they're just so good. I really almost want to weigh the possibility of putting them on the sides of the jeans. Like, is that a lot? Is that too much? I feel like if we're gonna like go for it though, we should go for it. Originally, I was thinking the back of the velour hoodie, but I mean like, that's the back. I feel like it's not like the main piece, it's not the centerpiece. Or with the jeans, I feel like we could really make a statement here. This is like a go hard or go home situation. So these are some bootcut denim jeans that I was able to just get off of Amazon. They're actually Levi's and honestly are amazing quality. They're so comfy. And I'm gonna be honest with you, they're not as low rise as we saw on Paris Hilton and other icons of the 2000s, but they're kind of hard to find right now, honestly. And just not flattering on my body. So I'm gonna do everyone a favor and we're just gonna go with mid-rise, like regular below the belly button, but not like right above the vagina placement. This is gonna take me a hot minute, so I'll throw us into a little time lapse to like get this going. I just wanna make sure that I put these wings low enough so it doesn't look like I'm giving my crotch wings, because I think that that's just not the goal. That's not the look we're going for. I think like on the side of the leg is probably the move. So I'm gonna flip these over a little bit. I think that's probably our best bet to make this appropriate so we, you know, stay monetized and just don't give off the wrong idea of anything here. Also, these are just from Amazon. If you feel ever so inclined to make yourself a pair of winged bootcut denim jeans, I'll leave a link for them. Ah! Oh, this is gonna be so good. Okay, and contacts. This is gonna need a solid few minutes of ironing in different spots here. Hello, I relocated to on top of the table so that I could watch YouTube videos while simultaneously pressing down the iron. I would say about 70% of these gems transferred over. So is it still gonna look like a wing? Fingers crossed, we hope so. But I think like once it doesn't stick, it's kind of like just glued to the plastic. So let's see. Ooh, the bottom did really well. Okay. I mean, we definitely have some sparse spots in the middle, but not the worst. Not mad at it, honestly, for like a really cheap wing transfer. Gives it some character, you know? All right, let's do the other side. Oh my God. These are insane. All right, left wing. Let's see what you got for us. Okay. Ooh, 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 that one did real well. Okay, wow, love that for us. This was the outfit that I wanted as like a 13, wow, the math in my head there that just like exploded. The 13-year-old in me saw outfits like this being like, wow, that girl's so cool. And now 15 years later, I get to finally be that girl. Okay, let's take a little inventory of what we've got. So we've got our winged, oh my God. I cannot wait for you guys to see what these look like on. We've got our 99% angel. We've got the most iconic shades in the entire world. Oh, and then I've already got my zigzag part and my little clampy clip in my hair. We've got our hot pink velour X Cheetah Girls sweater. Oh my God, this is incredible. And then I was actually looking at what kind of sneakers are very like 2000s, and literally it's the Fila's that I wear now. You know what? I said Fila's the other day on TikTok and I got roasted for how I say it, so I think that's wrong. I say Fila's, I think it's wrong. Anyways, that's what was poppin' 20 years ago. So conveniently, I just got a new pair. Super chunky with leopard print, which I feel like is just so good. The timing, impeccable. All right, let's put this all together. I'm excited. Wow, we've done it, you guys. We've done it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if there's any other like different decade of DIY transformation you want me to try, because your girl is down. Make sure to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and also subscribe to the vlog channel. All my socials will be linked in the down bar below, and I will see you guys next Sunday for another Sun DIY. Okay, bye guys, love you.
My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.
DIY queen, yeah, you know